If you are already familiar with our smart AJAX subscribe plugin, you will like this first add-on for it called integration. This is the subscribe plugin how it looks normally, and if you already set everything you need, services, layout and everything else, you can now add a few more features in regard with subscribing users. So let's activate this first add-on. Here it is, Smart AJAX Subscribe Integration Add-on. When you activate it, go back to main plugin panel, and you will see a new tab here called Integration. If you click on it, you will see the settings for this add-on. Currently, plugin supports 5 plugins to integrate with: BBPress, BuddyPress, WooCommerce, GigaShop, and Easy Digital Downloads. Plugin practically integrates subscription checkboxes in various places. For WordPress, that's comments form and registration form, and checkout forms for all 3 e-commerce plugins, and also with BBPress for new topic, new reply, and anonymous posting, and also registration for BuddyPress. For each of these services, you can select one or more lists and services already set with main plugin to integrate, and let's see how that looks like. Click here. You have option to activate this integration. You also have option to add some custom HTML before and after list of checkboxes, and if you need some extra CSS class for the whole block. Main thing is to add one or more lists. Click here and you will get a list. Here is the list of all currently available subscription lists from the main plugin, and we currently have a MailChimp account connected to this plugin, so you can select one of these. To start, we'll select this list here. Default status for the checkbox will be checked, and this is the label shown with the list. Okay, it's saved now, and when you go back to integration panel, you will see it looks a bit different, so this service is active. If we go to a comment form on the website, you will now notice a new thing here. It's a checkbox for a subscription we have added for the comment form. So practically, when you leave a comment, this subscriber that is currently logged in, or if it is a visitor, email from this comment will be sent to main subscribe plugin and added to subscription list. So it will appear here and will be sent to appropriate subscription list you selected previously. If you want, you can add more than one list. So let's add this, and we'll make it unchecked. Change the label here so you can so this list can be distinguished between, and we'll add this one, and that will be left as checked. So we'll have 3 checkboxes now, and users can select which lists they want to subscribe to. And refreshing, and here it is. First and last one are checked, and the middle one is unchecked. Also, if you want, you can rearrange them by using drag and drop, so you can change order of this of these lists. Okay, now this middle one checkbox will go as last. And now we'll enter some comment. We'll subscribe to all three. It's posted here. And if you go back to plugin and open this panel, you will see that we have 3 more subscribers, and you will see the source is a comments form. So you can identify which integration method was used to subscribe some of the users. You can enable any of these here. Let's say we want to add topic. It's practically all the same. So practically all integration methods have all the same settings. You only need to select which one you want to use for your purpose. Also, plugin is using cookies to store which list user in own browser is subscribed to. So when we subscribe to all three lists here, if you open the new comment form here, you will see that all these three are gone. So this browser have stored cookie that I as a user have subscribed to all three lists. So you don't bother your users anymore for the same list. If you add some other list, it will appear here. So each list is independently stored in a cookie. Let's see the BBPress integration here. We'll add one list. We want to post in this form here, and when you scroll down to new topic form, you will see here is the checkbox we have added for the integration. Plugin adds some basic styling only, so that so the checkboxes will fit with this with each of the forms the best it can. But if you have some customization done in your team, or you need to look needed to look something different, you can safely make changes to CSS and style these forms any way you want them. Here you can add the before and after text for this list, so you can add something like this. So if you do this, it will appear before the list. So you can add some custom content to mark the newsletter subscription block with each integration. So this is it. It's very simple to use. It requires no coding knowledge. But if you have some more specific need for something like this, you can integrate plugin with your own forms. So if you use some plugin that is not currently supported by this integration method, in the plugin documentation you will find the list of functions and methods you need to implement so that integration can be used with any form you want.